and today I am going to unpack the Rizzoli ML80 Cookstove. So I'm going to show you how the stove arrives. I do have another video where I show you guys how to actually get the stove off of the pallet. We have the stove off of the pallet, so I'm just going to unpack it and kind of show you guys what comes with it. Here's going to be your tag, kind of like your instructions, etc., model number, serial number. You're going to want to keep that handy. Inside the fire box is where all of your goodies are going to be packed here. So go ahead and pull out your Rizzoli box. We also have the tools located inside the fire box here as well. A scraper and a poker tool. Check inside the ash pan. Moisture packets here because these stoves ship in from Italy. So make sure you check these kind of areas before you go and try and fire your stove up. You don't want to have them burning. Inside the oven, we are pre-packaged with some nice foam to keep your glass and everything nice and safe. Rizzoli models do come standard with an enamel pan as well as the oven rack here. So that's really nice when they come with both. This pan slides in and out. The enamel one slides in and out very easy and nice. There is no drawer area under here on the ML80. This is basically just your damper control for the firebox. Pushed all the way to the right-hand side is going to be wide open, and pushed all the way in, or to the left-hand side would be closed. So I'll take you guys up close and show you what's inside the Rizzoli box. I've unpacked another Rizzoli, so some of you guys have maybe seen this before. The classic oven mitt. This is going to be our flue collar. This is going to be our plate. So if we wanted to switch from a top to a rear vent, this would be our plug to change the model to a rear vent. We also have the Brillo pad to clean your cooktop. They give you oil for your cooktop care, as well as a cleaner. They give you a nice steel wool pad for cleaning as well. And then of course our full owner's manual will be listed in the box as well. Here we have our tools. This is going to be a scraper tool, as well as your poker. This poker is used for doing your lids here. This is something I should actually point out about how your stove arrives. We had a customer who got the stove and the top looked a little dirty. And you know what? This one does too. And this is a brand new stove, but I want to explain something to you guys. This is shipped across seas. This comes oiled on the top, just like this. These kind of marks like this, dirt attracts to oil. Okay, stuff gets dirty. It arrived like this. It arrived like this. This is not damage to your stove. Also, there was like some kind of marking on her oven mitt, so I'm going to talk about that as well. If the oven mitt gets sat down here, you're going to get a black mark on it. Or if it was in this box with this flue collar, which is touching again this oiled plate, which collects some kind of dirt and stuff from the factory, just in general it's oily, then that's why the stove would look like that. If people touched it, it could potentially look like there's markings over here as well. This is not damage. This is nothing to be concerned about, nothing faulty. This will wipe off. To remove oil, actually, I think the easiest thing I've done so far is just straight up alcohol. and the alcohol remove the oil off nicely. So you need to do that anyways before you light your first fire. If you light it like this, number one, it's gonna smoke all over your house. And number two, you're gonna burn all this dirt onto it and then you'll never get it off. So this is kind of what to expect when unpacking your Rizzoli ML80 or any Rizzoli cook stove, as they all kind of come with the same options.